Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage park lighter made in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, advertising Shamrock oil and gas. It's a very nice, clean, I believe new lighter with a two-tone finish and a very nice advertising logo. I'm not sure of the process by which the finish is applied to an aluminum lighter. I think it's anodizing. I don't think it is plating. But on a lighter like this, I believe you're seeing two of those processes put into work at the same time. The bottom of the case looks to me to be an anodized sort of satin finish aluminum. The lid appears heavier, and I believe that is chrome plated brass. I've had several of these lighters before that have the heavier gauge case. I don't remember that I've had one with an aluminum bottom and brass lid, but I could be wrong. That's just my immediate observation. This lighter has a sticker on it that says PS 1856 Park Avenue. I'm not sure what the PS 1856 designation is. I remember seeing some Park Slim lighters that on the front below a logo would have a PS number. And I don't know if those were some sort of sample, if that's a part number. I don't know why you would print it right on the lighter under the logo. But anyway, this particular example, there is a shiny sticker there that sort of looks like a, like would be on a product that you'd buy in a store. Product tag sticker, not necessarily a price sticker. Maybe somebody can enlighten me what the purposes were for that sticker. If you enjoy watching videos about old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can also leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Now I'm going to have to go into the other room and get the flint spring screw for this because I left it out just a second ago. This lighter appears to me to be unstruck. There was a flint in it, but doesn't appear to me to be any degraded flint stuck off into this file well. That doesn't mean somebody didn't clean it up. It's possible. It has a solid fuel cell, which are a little snug. This one is anyway. See if I can coax it out of there. So, made of some kind of foam. Seen that before. You can see the wick, and so that's it. That's all the wick they have in them. I don't know, that's probably a quarter of the length of a normal Zippo wick, a third maybe. But they seem to do the job okay. And those are very common in these park lighters, especially the ones that were made in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The Shamrock Oil and Gas Company around that same time purchased or merged with another company that became Diamond Shamrock. So anyway, I believe this lighter would have been from the very early 1960s. I'm not sure how late Park Sherman went, but or how late Park lighters period. I don't know how long they were referred to Park Sherman. But I do have a 1976 bicentennial lighter, so at least up into the mid 70s they were in business and producing lighters. But as I said, I believe because of the logo on that lighter and the fact that the company didn't move to Murfreesboro until 1960, that's when this lighter would date to. I'm not an expert on dating park lighters by any means. I'm not an expert on dating any kind of lighters. So I'm not going to be firing this one up. It doesn't have a flint in it. Haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do with it, but probably be listed soon as a new lighter, new unfired, without a box or anything like that. But it does have some sort of sticker there. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments what that purpose of that sticker was for, and I can get that in the listing. If you haven't been over to check out the dependableflame.com store on eBay, make sure you do that. Every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% benefiting the organization. And we also have 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of those listings, 100% of the proceeds of those auctions, they run for 10 days, free shipping, high bidder gets the lighter, and the charity gets all the money. So make sure you get over there, follow us on eBay so you get those notifications. Make sure also on the YouTube channel that you hit that bell so that you get a notification as soon as we publish a video. The algorithm will get around to showing it to you eventually, but if you hit the bell, then you'll get notified right off the bat. I really like these park lighters, and kind of like the Berkeley, I believe it was the Berkeley chrome lighter that I had, where somebody commented that the spring back here had broke. They were concerned about it. Well, I think that these lighters probably, the spring system in them was not as sturdy and not going to stand the test of time the way the system in the Zippos did. It's just sort of a brute force system here, not any finesse other than, you know, the tension that that arm spring provides. So they certainly display just as well as a Zippo or any other lighter, but may not, the hinge may not stand up over time and actually look and operate the same as you would hope. Until next time.